Trevi Fabrics pattern On the Way, color Atlantic. A tropical bird and botanical leaves screen print with bright colors on white ground. Multi-purpose for upholstery, drapery, bedding, cushions, and pillows, and organic cotton with a 30,000 double rub durability rating. Cleaning code S, Crocking 4 dry, 3 wet. Flammability passing California TB 117. A Lightfastness of class 4 for 40 hours. Imported from Spain. Price per yard. Limited quantity at SchindlersFabrics.com. Schindler's Upholstery and Fabric Shop Incorporated in Cleveland, Ohio.